Hello, this is Michael J. King. Today I'm going to be showing you my dust extractor Cyclone system that I use for vacuuming in the workshop. All the parts are available online to buy. You can buy the Cyclone separately, the bin separately, and you can choose what hoses you like to fit the equipment you have. The most important part of the system that's not often mentioned is the anti-crush valve. This is available from Dust Commander by itself. This saves the bin from getting crushed if there's a blockage anywhere. This has actually happened to me on the first bucket that I bought, so it's definitely worth buying, and it doesn't cost very much. There'll be a link in the section below if you're interested in getting one of those. Okay, so we have a bin, we have the Cyclone. We attach a vacuum. In this case, this is just a standard domestic vacuum cleaner, a Henry. This has got a bag inside, but all we're using it for really is to suck into the Cyclone, and then we can plug whatever equipment we're using into the Cyclone through this side.